Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. One more interesting tips and tricks related on ChatGPT. How to activate auto speech on ChatGPT. If you are typing something and ask ChatGPT, and after that ChatGPT are producing the answer, so the answer automatically comes as a text to speech format. Also you receive the answer as a text format, as well as ChatGPT are reading entire text with voice. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Then after, simply open here Google. Inside the Google, you just put it here ChatGPT auto speech. Enter. Look at this here. First link is display here. I just simply click here. After that, ChatGPT auto speech is coming here. So I just simply add here. Enter. Now I just simply open ChatGPT. I already added this link in video description also. If I ask here some of the, for example, I ask here example quantum computing in simple terms. Enter and ask the question. Now this voice are coming as a speech format after generating here output.
Quantum computing is a form of computing where information is processed using quantum mechanical phenomena, such as superposition and entanglement. Unlike traditional computers that use bits to represent information as either zeros or ones, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. Quantum computers to perform certain types of calculations much faster than classical computers.
So look at this. Using these tips and tricks, you can convert as a text to speech format your answer. It's very simple tips and tricks. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.